Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do friendly recipes that the whole family can enjoy. So today's video is going to be a Greek salad served with hot sardines. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Now the recipe is in the description below. So we start with some olive oil. We add that to a bowl. And to that we add the juice of a lemon. Then to that we add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. A few cracks of ground black pepper, and then we give it a whisk. Now that that's whisked, we add some baby tomatoes, some diced cucumber, some pitted black olives cut in half, and some green onions. Then we crumble over some of our feta cheese. And give it a good stir. Make sure that everything is coated with the oil. And then set it to the side while we make our sardines. I use tin sardines from Shine's Irish Tuna. They're a locally branded Irish company and their fish is extremely good. So just take some oil out of the tin. As you can see, the pan is screaming hot. And we pop our sardines on. And we cook them for a couple of minutes. Then we flip them over. Cook them for a couple of minutes on the other side as well. And now we're ready to serve. So we pop our Greek salad into a bowl and we put our sardines on top. As you can see, I've served mine with some homemade brown bread and a slice or wedge of lemon. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. And there we have our traditional Greek salad served with hot sardines.